Okay, so in Launch Wizard 1, I added in my last video, it's in my Linux system admin thread. So I'm probably going to post this video in multiple playlists. But my latest video that I just published, I added HTTP here with port 80. So this isn't secure, but I wanted to show you something really cool that you can do. So I'm going to use my Launch Wizard 1 security group again. I'm going to come here to EC2 and I'm going to create a new instance. So launch instance. I'm going to call this, in fact, my web server. Okay. Amazon Linux. Instance type fine. Key pair. I actually wouldn't mind leaving this blank because I'm going to get rid of it, but I'm going to give it my main since it requires it. But sometimes I create instances without valid key pairs for people so that people can't log in. I'm going to select my existing security group because I have that port 80 open. And I'm going to come in here to advanced details. So we haven't used this yet in my videos recently. I come all the way down to the bottom and there's this user data. I'm just going to paste some stuff here from one of my prior videos. So user data is a way for you to run basically a script on install. So I'm going to run bash and install httpd systemctl start httpd.service httpd.service, I believe. Setting up Apache, doing all sorts of cool stuff on the directory. This is more than I usually do. Cool. And then I'm just going to echo, instead of good job, I'm going to echo, this is the way. Okay. So I'll paste this down below. Of course, these are not allowed in YouTube comments. So I'll go ahead and launch this instance. Now, I don't even know the IP of this instance yet. So I'm going to have to come here so I can see what the IP is or the DNS, and I can just open the address, and it's not ready yet because it's building. I'm going to close this. I'm going to wait just a little bit and we'll click on it again. I just want to show you that it can start up a system, run a script, and be ready unless I made a typo. So, looks like we're still not ready. You know what? I can also come here, exit, and I can SSH. Let me get what the IP is. 54.82.21.101. 54.82.21.101. 21.101. Make sure I didn't make a mistake. So sudo netstat-tnlp. I see HTTPDs there, so this should be available now. And the answer is, oh, I wonder if let's just come here and go, let's go to the IP address. 54.82.21, 54.82.21.101. HTTP. There we go. This is the way, right there. Sweet. I didn't even have to log in. All I did is log in to make sure this was up and available. I didn't have to. I did all of it with instance metadata. I will include that down below. I hope you've enjoyed this. We'll see you in the next video.